Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat, SBC Philippines. Again, ako po si Noli, ang inyong kapwa leader dito. Ang pag-usapan po natin ngayong gabi ay tungkol po doon sa kung paano natin tayo po makapag-pre-sell o makapagbili ng ating SBC Gold through the pre-sell. Bago that, nais ko po nang pasalamatan lahat ng mga nandirito ngayon sa gabing ito. Meron tayong 16 na participants. So, meron tayo from Mindanao, no? Si Ate Felma Riponte sa Iligan City. Sino po taga Mindanao na nandito? Ah, okay, so pagkaano lang, we have from Leyte or Mok Leyte, si Sir Michael. Okay, meron din tayo sa Bohol. Nandito din sila Sir Antonio Kibod from Bohol. We have also another from Mindanao sa Tandag, Surigao, si Ate Ima at yung grupo niya. Kanina nakikita natin, mukhang marami sila doon nakikinig. Baka doon yan matutulog. Okay, at we have from Bulacan, no? San Miguel, Bulacan, Ma'am Elizabeth Diaz. Nandito po. And of course, yung ating Ma'am Cavite, also we have Sir Willie from Cavite. At yung ating mga kasamahan sa Metro Manila, dito sila si Ma'am Prissy, si Lot Ponsalan of course, sino ba? Si Carol nandito, taga Metro Manila, si Josie Medina, so taga Manila. At yung ating mga kasamahan sa Hong Kong. Yan, nandito po si Ate Delia from Metro Manila also. Yan. At yung kasama natin sa Hong Kong, sila Ma'am Nenita, si Ma'am Sharon, si Ma'am Phoebe, maraming salamat. At of course, we have from Zamboanga City, si Ma'am Norma Riot also, and other from Cavite. So maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. So ang pag-usapan natin ngayon kung paano bumili ng SBC Gold. Okay, so ipapakita ko po sa inyo, i-share ko po sa inyo. Una sa lahat, kailangan po kung gusto niyo pong bumili ng SBC Gold, kailangan po ang inyong account ay verified muna. Na-verified na po ang inyong account. Meaning, dumaan kayo sa procedures ng verification, no, mayroon yung wild, nagamit niyo po yun. Once na-verified na po ang inyong account, kayo po ay pwede na pong bumili dito sa ating SBC Gold and a pre-sale now na magtatapos hanggang May 2. So starting ngayon hanggang Mayo 2 po magtatapos po yung ating pre-selling. So ayon ni admin, itong ating mas maganda ngayon kung meron tayong sapat at sobrang finansya na magamit makabili ngayon aside sa pagbabayad nating program fee, kasi ito rin ay bilang paghahanda natin, preparation, no? Kasi itong ating SBC Gold, possible na ito ay magagamit natin sa mga sunod na araw sa pagbabayad ng ating program fee. Okay, so ayon ni admin, sa pagbabili po ng ating SBC Gold ay dapat po parang starting from 10 USDT, 10, 20, 50, laging ganun po hanggang 100 to 2,000 as long as meron kayong kakayahan para bumili. Ano po? So the first requirement is at least you have to verify first you're in your account. So hindi ko na ituturo yung kasi dati natin tinuturo yung verification process. So let's move on to how to buy SBC Gold. So all you have to do, you have to log in your SBC account. So i-share ko lang. Okay, so ito na po yung ating SBC account mga kaibigan. So dito po ha, dito po natin, kung kayo po ay bumili ng SBC Gold, you can click the new exchange. Nakikita po dito ang SBC Gold free buy till May 2, 2024. So click niyo po to. Yan, i-click po ninyo. Medyo mabagal lang. Natin ha, medyo mabagal lang. Yan, umiikot-ikot pa siya. SBC Exchange. So madali lang ito. Wait lang natin ha kasi Mabagal lang talaga ngayon ang system natin. Although malakas naman ang aking internet. Diba? Okay. Ang tagal, umiikot-ikot lang siya. Tanggalin ko nga itong FB, no, para yan, dalawa na lang. Of course, yan, ito na po ha. Pwede ito niyong gawin laptop or inyong cellphone as long as verified kaagad ang inyong account. So, basahin niyo itong mabuti. Basahin muna natin. Pre-purchase SBC Gold with USDT. So, instructions. As of January 1st, 2024, the only coin accepted the payment will be USDT. There is a chance your payment will be lost if you send anything other than USDT. Reminders. So, you may pre-sell SBC Gold in 10 USDT increment. So, pinaka-lower is 10. Of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Parang ganun siya. Walang 25, walang 5, walang 15. Laging ganyan ang setup. Okay, you may buy as much SBC as you like for as long as the pre-buy option is available in USDT to SBC Gold using your verified wallet. Diba? So, again, you can buy if your wallet is already verified. Read these details every time you pre-buy, like instructions may change. Okay, 1. To initiate and pre-buy, check here first. The system will tell you how much you can pre-buy and there is a limit. So, binasa natin kanina. Number 2, read the warning and check the box that you accept. Number 3, make your payment once you have transferred your USDT to the wallet specified on this page. Come back here and report the purchase using that transaction, your transaction ID, enter your registered wallet address and the hash. So if you're familiar, paying program fees is like the same. Okay. Note, at this time, the following entry boxes on the form do nothing and do not expect them to update values in your change them. If you send in USDT box, send to the box to the address box. Approximate exchange and SBC Gold box, you do not need to change the. If you send USDT, well, we will record that you send each transaction regardless of what is in the box. So, So, if you have not registered your wallet yet, do the here. So, nakalagay, verify KCB Payment Wallet. Kung you need to verify it first, like what I said. Number 4, click Report Transaction button and the system will monitor the blockchain for the transactions you provided, and the system will record your pre-buy usually within 5 or 10 minutes. So you may only pre-buy SBC Gold today using USDT. Send on the USDT to the SBC blockchain. Do not accept Tron or Ethereum. So hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng USDT using Tron and Ethereum ha. Laging smart blockchain, yung BNB ang gamit natin. Note, no SBC Gold will be sent to you until SBCG Gold is funded around May 2, 2024. After SBC is funded, you will receive your first deposit shortly. Fund will be deposited to your custodial wallet and begin maturization, and please read the blog for the further details. Okay. So, kapag bumili ho kayo nitong SBC Gold ngayon, hindi nyo to makikita sa inyong SBC Gold in the MetaMask or should I say Trust Wallet. Hindi po doon. No? Okay, klaro. So here's the details how to buy already. Ito na po yun ha. May nakapula. I understand any amount send will be recorded as a pre-buy of SBC Gold and no coin will be sent to be until May 2, 2024. So wala pa, you have to wait. And per the maturation schedule noted in the blog, in addition to the wallet addresses, we will deposit this coin to your wallet. Custodial wallet details of the wallet will be available in your SBCBO on or before May 1, 2024. Any payment originating from an unverified wallet address will be lost. See? Make sure you register your payment wallet address before initiating pre-buy. So, malinaw po ha. Huwag ho kayong bumili kung you are not verified. Huwag kayong bumili ha. Kasi only those verified. So, you can see the small box. By clicking this, I confirm I have read the above statement and accept those conditions. So, nabasa na natin. You have to click this box. Okay, so yun po lalabas. You can see here the address. Itong address na to. Ito yung gagamitin ninyo. And you can put first the verified wallet address ninyo. You can put. So, sa ngalan po ng meeting na ito, so mag-present ako kung how to buy, no? Although nakabili na ako pero para makita ho ninyo. So ang gagawin niyo ho, you can ready also your MetaMask. So you can go to here at the MetaMask, right? Dapat open yung inyong MetaMask. Open yan ha. Open the MetaMask and also open the KCBO. Going back to the KCBO. Nakita niyo ba sa screen? Hello?
Opo, sir, opo.
Okay, so ang nakalagay dito, you're verified. So go to the MetaMask and copy your verified address. Your verified address, copy. At ilagay niyo po dito. Yung inyong verified wallet address. Okay. Now, copy on this, paste itong send to address, itong address na to. I-copy po ninyo yan. And go to your MetaMask and the USDT. Ito naka-USDT na ako. Click the send. And i-paste nyo po dito yung address na yon, yung kinapi natin kanina. Okay? At you can type here, let's say 10. For demonstration process pa ito ha. So, yung may-ari po nitong aking USDT Gold, pasensya na ha, hiramin ko muna yung inyong 10 ngayon. So, 10. Diba? And then of course, next. Same procedure the way how to pay your program fee. Confirm. At hintayin po natin yung transaction hash. So nakita na po yung transaction hash. Ayun yung 10. Click this. Copy the transaction hash. Ito po yon. Hindi natin nakapending pa. Ikot pa siya. Siguro marami ngayong bumibili. Kailangan hindi siya nakapending. Ano ho? Okay. Pending pa rin. So transaction hash ang kailangan. Nakikita niyo po ito ho. Nakikita niyo po yan. Diba? Okay, success na po mga kaibigan. Success na. So copy ninyo ito. Going back to the Kringle.cash. Ayun po enter transaction ID. Lagay niyo po doon. And then click the submit payment details. Okay, and click OK. I-click niyo po yung OK. At back to normal. Okay. So, hintayin lang natin ha. So, the next question is, saan makikita yung inyong binibili $10? Ipakita din natin dito. So, makikita niyo po yan, I think, after 24 hour or medyo matagal lang, basta nasa ganung pagitan po. After kinabukasan. No? Okay. So, i-check nyo lang. Saan po hindi pa yun ang custodial wallet, I think, ha? Kasi gagawa pa nga tayo ng custodial wallet. Yung sinasabi ni admin. So, tingnan natin. Okay. Saan nyo po makikita yung inyong binili, yung record na nakabili ho kayo? You can go account. Account. Click your account and you can see this SBC Gold pre-buy details. I-click nyo po yan at makikita po dito yung inyong binili. Ayan po ho. Ito yung aking binili last 2 days ago, I think. No? Yung first day na nag-open yung pre-sale, nag-try ako. Ayun 20. April 20, bumili pa ako ng 10. So dito nyo po makikita. No, yung binili natin ngayon, after 24 hours pa natin siya makikita ulit dito. All you have to do, click this account, your account. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple paano bumili ng ating pre-buy SBC Gold na nagsisimula noong April 20 na magtatapos ng May 2. But huwag kaligtaan, makabili ho kayo as long as your account is already verified. Okay, so marami pong salamat sa lahat. I hope marami kayo natutunan kung paano pag bumili. At dito po nagtatapos yung ating recording. So kung may mga katanungan po kayo right after this recording mga kaibigan, ano lang natin, stop lang natin muna yung recording.